So I'll just take that out. Good morning, and it's Tuesday morning. Hope you got on well with yesterday's challenge, because there's another one right here. Let's have a look. Right. Find as many things that you can that are the same colour. Maybe your favourite colour. Group them all together and count them. Try and make it a competition. How many can you find in 10 minutes? Can you find more than the adults? Once again, your teacher will score you out of 10 for your efforts. And always remember that down below this video are other alternative tasks that you can try if you find this one a bit too challenging. Good luck, and we'll see you on Wednesday morning.